Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial today with the Putnam County District Library. I'm Addie and today I'm going to be talking to you about government grant scams. So I think by this point most of us have realized that the costs of daily life are going up, groceries, housing, among other things. This causes anxiety for us as consumers, and scammers are well aware of this and they're taking advantage. All the info I'm going to share with you today comes from the FTC, that's the Federal Trade Commission website. And I'll put links to the appropriate web pages at the end of the video. I definitely encourage you to go to the FTC website and learn more, read up on these topics so that you are educated and prepared in case scammers come after you with this tactic. So like I said, today's topic is government grant scams, which are just what they sound like. Scammers pretend to be a government entity offering grant money for education, home repairs, home business expenses, unpaid bills, household costs, or other personal needs. But unfortunately, they're all scams. So how does it work? Well, number one, scammers try various methods to reach you. They may try ads online, phone calls from fake numbers that show up on your caller ID so that it looks like they're calling from an official agency. They may send you text messages, emails, or messages through social media platforms that say that you qualify for money from the government. Okay, so they are coming at you in a variety of ways. Number two, scammers make big promises. They offer free money or a grant to pay for, as I listed before, education, home repairs, home business expenses, unpaid bills, household costs, or personal needs. Right, there's something in there for everybody. This is a really tempting offer because there's something in there for everybody. We all have household costs. We all have personal needs. We may have home business expenses, right? They can really cast a wide net trying to reach somebody who fills one or multiple of these in these groups, right? So number three, scammers try to look official. Scammers may have a fake phone number, as I said before, and they may pretend to be a real government agency, like the Social Security Administration, or they may make up an official sounding name of a government agency. For example, the Federal Grants Administration, which does not exist. Okay, I'm going to say that again. They're going to make up a fake name of a fake government agency that sounds legitimate. Okay, so just be wary of that. Number four, scammers, the Federal Grants Administration doesn't exist, by the way. Number four, if I didn't say that already, scammers ask you for information or money. They may start by asking for personal information like your Social Security number to see if you qualify for the grant, which you will. Then they'll ask for your bank account number to deposit the grant money into your account. They may also ask you to pay for those fees with a gift card, cash reload card, cryptocurrency, or wire transfer. That's always a scam. And number five, scammers are going to try to convince you. They may even promise a refund if you aren't satisfied. This is a lie. Once you've given them your personal information or you've paid fees, your money will disappear and the grant was never real in the first place. Okay, so here's some important need to know information about government grant scams. Number one, the government will never get in touch with you out of the blue about grants. It won't reach out to you via social media, calls, texts, or email. It won't offer you free government grants of any kind. And real government grants require an application and they're always for a specific purpose. Okay, so you're not just going to qualify for one. You had to have filled out an application. Number two, never share your financial or personal information with anyone who contacts you. Government agencies will never call, text, message you on social media, or email you to ask for your Social Security number, bank account, or credit card number. If someone calls and asks for that information, do not give it out, no matter who they say they are. Okay, if somebody contacts you and asks for your social, your bank account, or your credit card number, do not give it to them. Okay, it does not matter who they say they are. Number three, don't pay for a list of government grants and don't pay any upfront fees. Grants.gov is the only place to find a list of all available federal grants, and it is a free list. No government agency will contact you to demand that you pay to get a grant. Okay, so don't pay for the list. It's free on grants.gov if you are looking for a grant. Number 4, if you paid a scammer, act quickly. If you realize you've paid money to a government impersonator, contact the company you used to send the money. Tell the gift card, money transfer, or cryptocurrency company that it was a fraudulent transaction and ask them to reverse it. Okay? And number 5, you can always report a scam, no matter what kind, at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Okay, that was reportfraud.ftc.gov. The FTC uses and shares reports with law enforcement partners to help with investigations and to prevent scammers from doing further future harm. So you can always report. You may not get your money back. The FTC doesn't really have a whole lot of control over that element, but you can help protect others from future harm. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.